Hi everyone! I recently joined Meta and I have the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer sunglasses for unboxing today. As a mixed reality enthusiast, I feel belong at Meta and I appreciate the company's commitment to advance the world in this area. Let's unbox this. So as you can see, it includes glasses, charging case, cleaning cloth, and yeah, that's it basically. So here is the tape, and very nice. This is the real thing. This is the camera. This is the charging port, which is being connected to here. There you go. Okay, and other than that, we also have this section for the documents. Get started guide. There you go. Warranty card. This is a QR code to get prescription sun lenses. Here is the cleaning cloth. It also says here Ray-Ban and Meta. And yeah, that's it. This sunglass is equipped with a camera and allows you to experience the world better using integrated AI. They are being sold in many optical stores worldwide, have multiple models, and I advise you to try them on before buying so you can find the model that suits you the best.